Hello and welcome to my video. Today I want to talk a little about a microwave problem I have in my apartment. It's an issue that I never realized was an issue, and if it was something that I knew before, I've long since forgotten it, but I'm going to go ahead and show you what that is. I'm showing you this because I'm doing some deep cleaning in my kitchen and reorganization of my small apartment kitchen. And this is, I've got the hot point stove and up over the range microwave. And the thing I wanted to show you was this, because they never tell you this, and you think you would know it. They have down here the filter that you take off and clean. But what they don't tell you, especially in apartments because they don't have any venting for this, look at this. All this oil coming down. And my microwave, by the way, got dirty and messed up because my dad broken a little bit because my elderly father put in something with metal. Long story. Anyway, behind this range, see, this started coming down because I was trying to find a way to clean this, and oil started coming out. And I look up here, and I can't figure a way to get this off, and how do I do it? And what it is there are 3 screws on top. 3 screws that you have to remove, and you take those off. It comes off. I'm not going to do this right now, but under this is a charcoal filter, recirculating filter, and you're supposed to replace that every 6 to 8 months depending on if you use it a lot or not. And we've lived here 12 years in this particular apartment, and I've never done that. I've never replaced that filter. The apartment complex never told me to do it, never had it in any writing of the lease or any recommendations. But I see this and I know I gotta clean it, and I just got on Amazon and ordered the replacement filters, and once it comes in, I'll take out those 3 screws, replace that charcoal filter, put it in my Google Calendar to remind me to replace it. And you know, I haven't been doing a lot of cooking on the oven or stove, not really, over the years, but mostly microwave. But I would do cooking. But where does oil come from? Because it's backed up. It comes up. This pulls the air in, it goes up behind, and it comes out here. It's recirculation. It recirculates because there's no vent. Because it's an apartment, there's no vent that goes outside. So that's something I learned today. Just because I had done that and noticed that the oil was coming out when I was trying to lift that up, and that's really something that I learned after all these years in apartments. I've never known that you had to replace that filter, and it's not part of the landlord. You figure it would be the landlord would come in or the maintenance would come in and change that, just like they were supposed to come in and change the filters in your AC unit, heating unit. But I replace those with my own because they use a cheap one. Anyway, that's something new that I'm going to have to figure out from now on. So if you've got a above the range microwave, it's probably got a filter underneath, and it probably has a filter up here, unless there's an outside vent for that. But even then you have to clean that. So, interesting world. We need to do that. It cause fires. It could back up and make the air circulation not work right, set off the fire the alarm system because it's not pulling the air in. So like I said, 12 years, and I've never changed it. I've ordered a bunch of them, and I'm changing it now. And I am going to change it. It's not something that I ever thought about. And I think with a lot of people, when they rent an apartment or a home, when you do, they don't hand you all the manuals for the stove and the microwave and the dishwasher and the refrigerator and all that. They don't hand you that. And if they do, they don't hand it to you. They keep it in the cupboard or something. And so you don't read that. And life is so complex that we're moving in and doing all this stuff. And when you sit down to decompress finally, you're not going to sit down and read manuals. If you have them, that shows you that if you don't replace filters properly or maintain them, all sorts of problems happen. And you could have a fire in your kitchen, over your stove, because of that oil buildup or whatever else may be getting up there, like flour or other things. And if you don't replace that charcoal filter, the underside draw filter isn't working properly. And if you ever put something on your stove when you're cooking and you turn on your fan and you notice that the steam and all that is not going up, it's just coming out, that's probably because the top filter, the charcoal filter, is blocked up. Like I said, every 6 to 8 months with average usage. Probably longer if you don't really ever cook on your top stove. But it's something I learned today. And it's an important thing. And I hope that this tells some of you to go check and make sure if you've got one of those above the range microwaves, to check it to make sure you don't have to replace a filter. And I still think it's kind of stupid that the bottom filter you can take off with no trouble, but to the one and wash it and replace it, same one. But the one that you have to replace and get a brand new one, because you can't wash those charcoal filters, you have to take 3 screws out, and you need to do that every 6 to 8 months. Live and learn. Isn't life interesting? Hope to see you again soon.